Hi everyone, welcome to English with Sepid. Today we are going to continue our series for conversational phrases. So before getting started, I want you to touch the link above and watch the previous videos of this series. So let's go to our lesson, explaining that you've been busy. So what's the meaning of busy? It means we don't have any time for anything else because we have a lot of tasks or work to do. So we are busy. We don't have time. Here is the most common example or the sentence for that. This is, I'm busy. I'm busy. So it means I don't have any time for anything active or anything about, for example, free time or whatever. So we say, I'm busy. And the better equivalent for this is, I'm swamped. So it's a better equivalent for I'm busy. Swamped is the synonymous vocabulary for busy here. Okay, so I'm busy, I'm swamped. Now, let's go to the next phrase. The next phrase is keeping myself busy. So, keeping myself busy. For example, your friend invites you to a cafe. Let's go to a cafe, and you would say, sorry, keeping myself busy. It means I don't have enough time, or I'm busy, or I'm swamped. So the next one is I'm snowed under, as if there is a heavy workload on you like a snow, okay? You are under that workload or you're under the snow, okay? Literally. So I'm snowed under. It means I'm very busy. So these days I'm snowed under. And the next expression is I don't have time to breathe. I don't have time to breathe. Even I don't have a minute, okay, to spend as a free time. So I don't have time to breathe. It means I don't have any free time. And the next one is not a moment to spare. Not a moment to spare. It means there isn't any moment, even a minute, to spend for another activity or for a free time activity. So whenever you're busy, try to use these expressions and phrases in order to express it. Right now, we are going to learn some phrases and questions in order to invite a friend for a drink or coffee. You're going to invite somebody somewhere. So here we have three alternatives written in blue. So pay attention to the alternatives written in blue. The first alternative is, do you have time for coffee? Do you have time for coffee? It means, can we have a coffee together? Are you okay right now? So, and the second one is, let's go for a coffee. Let's go for a coffee. Let's go and get some coffee to drink. So for an invitation, for inviting somebody, you can use that. And the last alternative is, how about a cup of coffee? What do you think? Is it okay to get a cup of coffee and drink together? I mean, each one of us get a cup of coffee. So how about a cup of coffee? What do you think? So these were the alternatives that we are going to use in order to invite somebody, to ask somebody join us for a drink or coffee. So let's go to the answers here. The first one. Do you have time for coffee? Do you have time? Can we get some coffee and drink together? So here you can answer, sorry, according to the first part that I taught you and we worked on. So you're going to say that, sorry, I'm swamped. Swamped means, do you remember? Busy. Sorry, I'm swamped. It means I'm busy. I don't have enough time for a coffee. So the next one is let's go for a coffee. So somebody is inviting you. Let's go for a coffee. And here you want to say, you want to agree, okay? You want to join that person. You can say, that would be great. That would be great. It means I will join you and this is excellent, okay? So I will accept your invitation. Or you can say that sounds great. That sounds great. It means I really liked your idea and I will join you. And the last one, how about a cup of coffee? So, what do you think of a cup of coffee? Are you okay with that? Do you want some coffee? And the answer again is a kind of refusal, okay? You're going to refuse, but politely. So, sorry, I don't have time to breathe. It means I don't have time even to think about it, okay? So, sorry, I don't have time to breathe. It means I'm extremely busy. So, if a friend wants to invite you somewhere, you can say, you can either refuse or accept that. So, these were the ways that you can refuse or accept that invitation. See you.